Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We recently got a comment on one of our videos asking if installing a vapor barrier on the foundation wall, can that allow moisture to travel up the foundation wall and damage the wood that sits on the foundation or above it? Stay tuned. When I first got started in crawl spaces, I had this pest control company tell me that I shouldn't put plastic on the foundation wall because the water or the moisture is going to travel up the foundation wall and damage the wood up above it. So I started doing a lot of research. This was many, many years ago. This was before encapsulation even became popular. And come to find out, some building codes actually require plastic on the outside of the foundation wall or tar or something like that. So they lock the foundation wall on the outside. And then I started looking at basements. How do we build basements? We will take plastic or foam board or insulation and then cover all that with drywall on the inside. So you got tar and plastic on the outside, and then you got drywall and insulation and plastic on the inside. So I got to thinking, why is it that we can seal up the foundation walls of a basement, but not a crawl space? It didn't make any sense to me. And I never found any research saying that putting plastic on the inside of a wall causes wood to rot on the foundation that sits above it. And the reason why is most of the time that piece of wood is pressure treated. It's a pressure treated piece of wood that sits on top of the foundation wall before any other wood is stacked above it on your rim joist and your other joists and things like that. So that typically is why you don't have any kind of wood rot on that piece of wood or above. Normally, when we see wood rot on the rim joist or on the wood around the foundation, it's due to a leak from the outside. The siding has failed, the flashing, there's a deck or a door or something like that, and a flashing has failed and that water has begun to drip behind that flashing, sit on that rim joist or that subfloor and rot that wood that way. So if you've got a concern about putting plastic on the foundation wall, we don't have any issues with our way of installing crawl space encapsulation where it causes any kind of wood rot or any kind of fungal growth, because not only are we controlling vapor with plastics, controlling humidity with the vapor barrier, but we're also installing a dehumidifier. So that way, even if you do get a leak from above, it begins that drying process of that wood so that it doesn't rot the wood out. So that is my best answer. Could vapor barrier cause a problem for wood if it's installed on the wood? Yes, you never want to take plastic all the way up and put it directly on the wood, but if you stop at that termite gap, if you stop at the top of the foundation, you should have no issues with the plastic causing any kind of problems in the wood on top of the foundation. Hope that helps. Appreciate the comment. My name is Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.